Somebody backs into your car in a parking lot. Somebody pries open your garage. Or you witness something and an officer asks you what you saw. In every one of those, one thing decides what officially happened. Not your memory, not the other guy's, the police report. And here's the part nobody's told you. More and more, the first draft of that report gets written by software. It listens to the body camera audio. It writes the story. An officer cleans it up and signs it. And that signature is sworn. 2 states make them tell you when that's happened now. Yours probably isn't one of them. Stick with me because I'll show you how to find out. And trust me, as someone who went to law school, this is important. Welcome back to the AI Guide. I'm David. If you want AI news explained straight, no hype, subscribe and give this a like. Patreon's down below if you want to back the channel directly. And look, I don't practice law and this isn't legal advice. It's just how to get your own paperwork and read it. The big tool's called Draft One. Axon makes it. Same company behind the Taser and most body cameras in this country. It takes the audio off a body camera, turns it into a transcript, and writes a narrative. Not the video, just what got said. Obviously, this is an AI tool. Then an officer reads it, fixes what's wrong, signs it. It's assistive. It's not out there writing reports by itself. I want to be plain about that. How common? Axon says about 600 departments use it across roughly 600,000 reports, though those are Axon's own customer survey numbers reported by Forbes last month. Why care if you've never been arrested? Because a police report isn't just a crime thing. It's what your insurance company reads after a wreck. It's what an insurance adjuster leans on when your garage gets cleaned out. Or, like happened to a friend of mine, it's your statement when a guy comes in through the window in a home invasion. It's the official version of a night you might remember completely differently. And memory is a tricky thing. Last July, the Electronic Frontier Foundation started filing records requests on this. They found something I had to read twice. The original draft, what the AI wrote before any officer touched it, wasn't being kept. An Axon product manager said it on video. Quote, "We don't store the original draft and that's by design." The last thing they wanted was more disclosure headaches for their customers, the police departments. So sit with that for a second. If the first draft is gone, nobody can tell which sentences a machine wrote and which ones a human being actually stood behind. Not you, not your insurer, not a judge. One Indiana department told EFF they couldn't even produce a list of which reports came out of the tool. Not searchable. So look, almost every one of us is going to be in a car accident at some point in our lives, and the police come and take statements. So this affects your money. Well, states then started writing laws. Utah went first, spring of 2025. Simple rule. If AI helped write it, the report says so, and the officer certifies they read it for accuracy. California went further. SB 524, in force since January 1st. The report has to name the specific AI program and carry this line right on the page. This report was written either fully or in part using AI. The agency has to keep that first draft as long as they keep the report. And there's an audit trail. Who ran the tool? What audio it used? So, really important for your rights. 2 states, that's the entire list. So no, police do not now have to tell you. Check your own state, which likely is not. Connecticut's chief state's attorney paused statewide use in April, a pause, not a ban. And King County, Washington prosecutors won't accept AI-written narratives at all after one put an officer at a scene he had never been to. So from that example, you can see the problems here. Let me give Axon its side. A human stays accountable. Every report gets reviewed and approved by an officer, and by default, the tool's limited to minor incidents. They point to a Colorado sergeant reporting an 82% drop in writing time. But the one randomized trial anybody's run, 85 officers in the Journal of Experimental Criminology, found AI assistance didn't significantly change how long reports took at all. One's the vendor's sales pitch, one's a controlled study. And a new wrinkle this month, a lawyer at the Center for Democracy and Technology warned these tools could pick up a known AI habit, telling people what they want to hear. He's not saying that's happened in a police tool. He's saying nobody's checking. And my viewers know that's true, that this happens. And of course, everybody knows that sometimes police reports are filed that are knowingly not correct. Okay, here's what I promised and what changed this year. Axon added draft retention. After those laws showed up, there's now a setting, retain original drafts, and a way to export what the AI wrote first. But read that again, it's a setting. Somebody at each department has to switch it on. So the honest answer to is the original draft about me being kept depends on one checkbox at your department. So what can you do? Call the records division of whoever took the report, city police, county sheriff, state patrol, have the case number and date, expect a small fee, redactions, and await if the case is open. When it shows up, read every page in the footer. In Utah and California, there's supposed to be a disclosure line, and in California, it should name the software. If you're ever actually charged, or you believe your accident report is wrong, that's your attorney's job, not a record request. But in California, that draft exists now, and the audit trail, and your lawyer can ask for both. So look, this is a natural step in the use of AI. The question is it set up correctly? And plainly, this isn't a story about AI framing people. Nobody's shown that. It's about whether anybody can check. So back to your fender bender. A report gets written. Your claim rests on it. Now you know software may have written the first version and where to look. Question for you, should every state have to keep that first draft, or is an officer's signature enough? Tell me in the comments below, I read all of them. Sources are in the description, socials too. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, please support us on Patreon. Your direct monthly support of $5, $2, or even just $1 really helps the channel grow. See you next time. Take care.